Hey, this is a really great idea. Have you ever looked at buying rates down when you're negotiating your contract or your deal? Buy downs could be great, and Carl White and the Marketing Animals are here to help you out with a great strategy. If you want to understand it, all you have to do is click this banner right over there. So how about this apartment?
Smallest apartment in all of New York City, measuring just 55 square feet, or just about 5.1 meters squared. The apartment is located on St. Mark's Place in the Lower East Side and has been the go-to spot for those looking to move to the Big Apple and make their dreams come true, on a budget of course. The apartment comes with a microwave, sink, vanity, and a mini fridge. Here's your walk-in closet with some shelving, complete with your very own sleeping loft. And if you're wondering, the shared bathroom is just right down the hall. And this place is on the market for $1,400 per month.
Is that nuts or what? To put this in perspective, the average size of a jail cell is 6 by 8 feet. It's the same size, but the benefit is you don't have to pay rent for the jail cell, and it comes with a toilet and a sink. By the way, you also get 3 square meals per day free, and utilities, my friends, are all included. All you gotta do to get that better deal of going to jail is rob a bank. I mean, let's not do anything violent to another person.
This week, the CFPB confirmed that scammers are using CFPB employees' names and imagery to try and steal your money. The CFPB has heard from people, specifically older adults, who were defrauded thousands of dollars from scammers pretending to be with the CFPB.
I don't know how people still fall for this crap, yet they do. And the point is this: the CFPB would never call and ask for money from you. The CFPB advises that if you're contacted by somebody from the CFPB or saying they're from the CFPB and you want to know whether it's real or a scam, you can call their consumer call center at 855-411-2372 between the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and that would be Eastern time. And like I said, tell your database not to give anybody any money.
Use this story to send to your database and then ask them if they're gonna sell their home, because that's a trend that we're facing. Give yourself a reason to succeed at your profession by landing listings, because from Fortune.com,
some firms, including John Burns Real Estate Consulting, are already predicting that U.S. home prices in 2023 will post their first year-over-year decline of the post-Great Financial Crisis era. In a sharp housing downturn scenario, Fitch Rating thinks a 10 to 15% national home price decline is possible. Now, not everybody agrees. Goldman Sachs and Zillow are predicting that U.S. home prices are going to rise 1.8 to 2.4% respectively over the coming year.
So get this in front of your clients, because if they're going to sell, it's better to do it today before the Fitch price prediction hits their neighborhood.
And finally, the 40-year fixed rate loan is back, in case you didn't know. It's interest only for the first 10 years, and then it just changes to a fully amortized 30-year loan after that.
These loans are primarily intended for investors who've been priced out of the market. I want to be clear, these are not the subprime loans of a decade ago. They are designed to succeed.
Seriously, the rates are great on these loans, the underwriting's stable, and all are ability to pay compliant. And if you'd like to learn more about them, these 40-year fixed rate loans, you can do so by clicking this oak tree banner right over there.